Page 12, Foggy Beach, 6/8 time. No sharps or flats, so either we're C major or A minor. Well, look at the end. Oh, good grief, look at the last measure. You got a mess down there. We'll figure it out one note at a time. In the left hand, you have an A and an E. In the right hand, you have an A and an E. Sounds A minor to me. So I'm guessing A minor. Well, 6/8 time, we're counting eighth notes. So at the beginning, right hand, you just hold that down for 6 counts, and then lift up and come down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3. Well, now measure 5. They stuck in a 9/8 time signature on you. Well, they can do that, you know. So instead of counting to 6, you got to count to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then you're back to 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you do that some more. And there's another 9/8 at the bottom there. Left hand, you're down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And doing that, that's about it for the left hand. Huh? Together for 6 counts, and then both hands move. You got to come to here. You lift up and you move. It's a little easier because the notes are right next to each other. When they're further apart and you have to keep track of what you're doing, that's a little harder. But when they're close together, then you can see them both. So you just aim to here. Go from here to here. You might have to practice that. 2, 3. And then again, now you're up here. Same thing, you're just an octave higher. And the right hand's not moved, it's just the left. So do all that. And at the end, you're ending at 3, 4, and then back at it. Then add the articulation. Not a lot going in articulation, just slurs. Just lift up between the slurs is fine. The left hand, just keep it as legato as you can. The dynamics, you're starting out moderately soft. It's going to be for the right hand. Here. Whatever you think moderately soft is, and then you go down to soft. That's the right hand. The left hand has to be very soft. Now you're going to crescendo up to a moderately soft, just a little bit. Don't get too much. Retardando there, you slow down. You down to very soft, no? Then rest for 3 counts, and now back to moderately soft. And the off tempo means go back to whatever tempo you were doing before you slowed down. And then the third line down here is again, now it's very soft. The left hand has to be super duper soft, just. Up to moderately soft, and then you come back down. So the last line. There's a retardando there, and you go back to very soft, and then soft at the end. I did it very soft. Didn't do it soft. It's okay. And there's a fermata on that, so really you just hang on to it until the sound dies away. With a metronome, I'll double that, and I'll hold it for 12 counts instead of 6. Oh, that'll be fun. Speed-wise, Foggy Beach, I don't know that it's meant to be sad. It's meant to be a little bit mysterious. To me, if it's foggy or some atmosphere, I'd want to use pedal in this, kind of smear things up a little bit. They don't put a pedal in here, so I'm not going to bother. So we'll just have to try and imagine a foggy beach as you're playing this. 3, 4, 5, 6. What is slowly to you? It's different for different people. It's not how fast the beat goes. That's not what we're talking about on speed. It's the overall flow of the piece. It's a slowly desolate flowing piece. Metronome markings they're giving you, it's up to you, it's a 1, 2. The counting and measure 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I continue to slow down, and then the off tempo 1. So it's going to sound a lot longer than 3 counts on the rest because you're slowed down. It's part of the atmosphere. I like to play this with you slowly, actually about the speed it's going to go, I guess. I'm not going to do the dynamics, and I can't slow down, none of that. So we'll just play it through just to check the notes and the rhythms. I'll give us 6 counts because it's in 6/8 time to start. 1, 2, 3, 4, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Seven, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 1. 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Off.